Hi friends, it's me, Isabella. And guess what? I just came back from Paris and now I'm like a kid expert on traveling there. So I want to share with you the top 5 things to do to get over your first time travel worries. I'll also share with you things that I did that you should totally try too. It's all about discovering new places and fun things. If it's your first time traveling, especially to somewhere as amazing as Paris, don't worry. So here's what you should do when traveling. Number 1, you should try new foods. When in Paris, I had the most amazing crepes filled with Nutella and strawberries. And let's talk about French fries. Did you know that they're actually from France? And trust me, they taste extra special there. Even if a food looks a bit weird, it could be the yummiest thing ever, like the sushi I tried before. Number 2, you should try to make new friends. In one of Paris's beautiful parks, I met a kid while playing on this super cool spiral slide. We couldn't really talk much since we didn't speak the same language, but we laughed a lot and played together. It showed me you can make friends anywhere in the world, even if you just use smiles and gestures. Number 3, you should try to take lots of pictures. Paris is like a treasure chest of beautiful sights. I snapped photos of the sparkling Eiffel Tower at night and even took a selfie with the Mona Lisa's famous smile at the Louvre. Every picture tells a story of adventure. Number 4, you should try to say hello in the local language. I learned how to say bonjour. That's how you say hello in French. It was super fun to try speaking a new language. When I said bonjour to people in Paris, their faces lit up with big smiles. It's like a magic word that makes everyone friendly. And number 5, you should try to collect something special from each place. In Paris, I picked up magnets and pictures of beautiful places. Friends, listen. Traveling to Paris showed me that the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored, so don't be scared to try new things and discover all the awesome stuff out there. Let's be brave together and find our own adventures.